Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So this is my favorite bun hack. By the way, this is Blue and Buns. This is my favorite bun hack. It's super low maintenance, super easy, super lazy. So this is a very old braid out, twist out from when I did my hair the other day. It's simply free parts, no real effort into like the cleanliness, because it was meant to be taken down for an afro. However, it's been raining, and so I just left my buns in. So the parts are a mess. And that's the whole point of this style. It's like you don't have to spend hours parting your hair. So you will need black scrunchies, preferably use satin. Well, I think the cotton ones look a little more natural. You need some bobby pins. And of course, if your hair is brown, then you want to find some hair ties that match your hair, because that's the whole point of the hair hack. So I'm not using super thin elastic because I think that this method allows your buns to look fuller and bigger. So I got 4 total, and start by pulling your hair into a pony. And I used to do this hair, I wish I recorded it earlier, but I used to do this style months ago when my hair was way shorter and I basically only had like my ends sticking out of the pony. So that's why I love this, because it really allows you to have a bun. So wrap it around tightly, and if you are able to fold your ends into a bun, do so. Take that second one and wrap it around as well. And if you have any short ends, just hide them and fold them down. And then you put that second scrunchie on. And you see how it looks more natural? It looks like my hair. Now I have some flyaways. So what you do is tuck those into the outer bun. And I still have some short hairs free. We'll work with that later. So do the same thing to the other side. And you don't want to put them too high up, because, the more they got to stretch, the more you got to work. So start with that first scrunchie. Fold your ends over into a bun if you're able, and if you're not, just leave them sticking out. And what you do with the hair that's sticking out, like, you see how much of a difference that is? You want to pull them out more and then fold them over with that second scrunchie. And this side of my hair, I think, is like a little shorter because I have to pull some more out, and I got some hanging out in the back. And you're literally just like hiding whatever ends into that second scrunchie layer. And you see my hair, the back of my hair is rough, okay? But we're going to pin those flyaways up with black bobby pins, or a color that matches your hair. And I kind of just put some extras just in case, so those front ones don't fall out, because sometimes they do. And ideally I would have at least a straight middle part, but I was real lazy doing this braid out because, again, it's free parts. This is your nice lazy style. You stretch those as far as they can go and pin those down. And I think because it's like more rough looking, it's actually kind of cute. And here's your 2 buns. So you can also accessorize if you'd like. So here I have some gold bobby pins, and I love to do, like, I don't know why, a little X. Like, that's just my thing. Little X bobby pin. Add a little razzle dazzle, distract them from the frizziness. Sometimes I put like another 2 little parallel, 1, 2 in the back. Then we got a flyaway. See, sometimes I just want to be free. So I pull it out again and then tuck it. So if you ever have any, when you pull it, it makes it a little longer so that you can fold it over. But worst case, so this is one that, like, I knew I couldn't really get. So I went to go get a black bobby pin. I have ran out. Take a black bobby pin and pull it a little bit and then stick it straight into your bun. Of course, like, you don't want to lay on your side when you do this. You don't want nobody to hit you in the bun because that will hurt. And then I'm doing my little X style again over here. Trying to see if the buns are even. And that little piece is still a little free, but you know, it's just a little rough today. And there you have it. This is your super cute, super lazy, super natural hairstyle. It's not squeezing your hair, breaking off anything. I think it's like a good protective style because you've already moisturized your hair with your braid-out products, with your creams. I do have, like, again, this is an old braid-out, so I do have gels on my braids, but so cute. Love this style. It's my favorite go-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.